Hey Math Aces, and welcome to Mr. Ace Math. In this video, we're going to go over a brief example of how to subtract decimals. Our example that we're going to work on is right here. 5.2 minus 3.49. Properly read as 5 2/10 minus 3 49/100. We'll go through this example step by step. So let's begin with step number 1, which is to line up the decimal point. So let's start by writing our first number, 5.2. Next, we'll write in the next number, 3.49. But we need to make sure that we write it so that the decimal point in 3.49 is right under the decimal point in 5.2. So it'll look like this. Notice how the decimal points are completely lined up, and the reason why that's so important is because when you do that, your place values are properly lined up. Here, I have the ones place value. Here, we have the tenths place values lined up. And here, we have the hundredths place value lined up. Now that our decimal points are lined up, let's write our minus sign and underline everything. And now we can go to step 2, which is to bring down the decimal point. This is how we place the decimal point in our answer. And all we need to do is bring it down from the question. So since our decimal point is right here in the question, we'll bring it directly down right underneath it and place it right there where our answer will be. And now we can go to step 3, which is to annex zeros. That word annex might look a little bit tricky. It just means that if you look at your decimal point, and if you look to the right of your decimal points and see any blank spaces, you place a 0 there instead. Since there's a blank space right above 9, we'll place a 0 right here. And now that we've done that, we can start our subtraction, starting from the right column. Can we do 0 take away 9? No, we can't, because we have nothing to take away from. So we'll borrow from this 2. This 2 will become a 1, and this 0 will become a 10. So now we can do 10 minus 9, and that equals 1. Now we'll go to the next column. 1 minus 4. Can we do that? No, we can't, because we don't have enough in our top number. So we're going to borrow from this 5, we'll cross it off and turn it into a 4, and the one that we borrowed we'll place right here. So now we have 11 minus 4, and that equals 7. And now we're on to the last column to subtract, which is this column all the way to the left, and we've got 4 minus 3, which we can do because the top number is bigger. And 4 minus 3 equals 1, making our final answer 1.71, properly read as 1 71/100. Okay, Math Aces, if you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. I'd love to help. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in math class.
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Questions? Comments? Leave them down below.
And thanks for using Mr. Ace Math. Don't just pass math, ace it.